Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add the rolling film effect to your videos in CapCut Mobile. So just add your video that you want to edit to CapCut, and here click on overlay, add overlay, then head to the CapCut stock videos or library. Click on the search column and find film effect. Click on enter, and here at the top you'll easily spot these two, but I'm going to just use the first one. Click on add. Now fit the size and use the blend or splice. At the bottom, click on filter, or here you can also click on overlay. Just choose the one you want. I'm going to go with filter. Click on a check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.